Welcome to Beautyistic, where we celebrate effortless beauty and smart self-care. If you've been chasing that perfectly polished, salon-quality look without leaving home, then today's spotlight might just be your next obsession. We're exploring the Kiss Bare But Better Press-On Nails in the shade Chemistry, a medium-length almond shape that promises a chic, nude finish in minutes. This kit comes with 28 sculpted fake nails, pink gel nail glue, a mini nail file, and a manicure stick. Everything you need to elevate your DIY nail game. From the moment I opened the kit, the presentation felt professional. The nails themselves have a smooth, glossy finish, and the Chemistry shade is a soft, flattering nude with just the right balance of warmth and subtle red undertones. This makes it versatile enough for daily wear or special occasions, complementing a wide range of skin tones. A thoughtful touch from Kiss for anyone who loves the barely there nail trend. Applying these nails was surprisingly straightforward. The included instructions are clear, and I appreciated that the kit provides both the nails and a dedicated gel glue, ensuring a snug fit without the mess of traditional nail glue. The manicure stick and mini file made customization easy, allowing me to adjust lengths and smooth edges for a flawless look. In practice, they stayed on well, maintaining their shine and shape over several days of typical daily activities. They aren't indestructible. Very active hands or harsh chores might shorten their lifespan, but for at-home wear, they perform admirably. One of the strongest points is definitely the convenience factor. You can achieve a polished, salon-worthy manicure in under 15 minutes, which is perfect for busy schedules. On the flip side, if you're looking for ultra-long-term wear beyond 2 weeks, these might not replace a full salon gel or acrylic set. Another minor consideration is the shade selection. It's nude-focused, so if you crave bold or seasonal colors, this kit may feel limited. When it comes to value for money, the kit hits a sweet spot. For what you're paying, you're getting professionally shaped nails, reliable glue, and tools for easy application. Compared to salon appointments or other high-end press-on brands, Kiss delivers comparable quality at a fraction of the time and cost. For those on a tighter budget, simpler press-on nails without the full toolkit can work, but they often compromise on fit and finish. The build quality of the nails is excellent. They feel sturdy, yet lightweight, and the gel glue adheres well without creating a sticky mess. Kiss's reputation in professional beauty products carries over here. The kit feels thoughtfully designed and durable for its intended wear period. If you've been hesitant about press-on nails because of past experiences with slipping or poor fit, this kit makes it much easier to achieve a confident, polished look. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, Kiss Bare But Better Press-On Nails in Chemistry offers a highly accessible, stylish, and practical solution for achieving the nude nail trend at home. They shine for convenience, ease of use, and aesthetic appeal, making them ideal for those who want a flawless manicure quickly without compromising on quality. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.